What's going on, guys? So we love our exterior lighting on our trucks, especially Baja Designs. Right here we have three very different examples of different kits we've done from Baja, and they're phenomenal. We love how bright it is, and it works great for off-road. What we've run into though is Romeo has some pretty terrible stock fog lights. So that's where Baja comes in with the S1 Pocket Light Kit. It's an OEM replacement that'll give a lot better brightness and clarity to those driving conditions where quite frankly you need it.
We are super excited to get started on this Baja kit. We obviously run them on all of our trucks. To get started, we're gonna pull the front bumper off, pull the front grille. And while we're doing this install, we're also going to be doing the Fleece all lights on module. So stay tuned for that. So let's get to it.
Still blind.
Still blind.
All right, so this is a decently involved install. Right here's Bo's already starting on taking off the top because we got to remove the grille and the bumper. So come around this way, you'll see that the best way to do this is the print instructions suck. They have great instructions on their website, so we just pulled that up and we're just gonna go step by step through that whole process. Okay, right here, we're getting everything organized. We're gonna put everything left to right. So for reassembly, we'll go right to left. We're thinkers around here. Yeah, this process is involved. Not Baja's fault, but GM. I imagine if you need to replace one of those bulbs, it's the same process on the OEM lights. So yeah, it's no joke getting to these fog lights. Kind of stuff.
Don't break it.
I know, I don't want to break it.
I'll let you do the other side too.
Okay, let's see if the other side is acting up a little nicer. They said 2 clicks. There we go.
If it goes 3, you need a new fender.
Yeah. That third, that's called the money click. There it goes. Okay. There we go.
Money top or no?
We're all good. Yeah. Let's just pull it all out together. Dude, it really does feel like you're doing something.
It feels so smooth, right?
Woo! Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. We'll get that bolt later. Is Juliet around? I don't want her to see Romeo get undressed like this. It's over here. You just sit over there. Woo. There we go.
Easy.
All right, we're done, right?
Yep.
Okay, we made lots of headway, got the bumper off. Now it's time for the fun part. There's several bolts here. I don't know, there's like 400, 500 bolts.
I think I saw 16, but we'll go 400.
Okay, so we gotta get all those off and then we can start installing the new lights. So that's what's next.
Let's do it.
Bro,
What is happening?
there's a lot of pieces to this. Don't look at my truck, she's naked.
All this for some fog lights, huh?
Romeo. It's kind of weird having a guy truck.
I heard power tools and I got scared.
No, you got excited. Boom. There it is. Here, you're better at clips than me.
Okay.
It's my weakness. I just break them, it's easier. There it is. Part two.
Here we go.
Got it?
All right, we got the factory fog lights out of the truck. Now we've got the S1 Pros going back in.
So they came with this cool mounting kit that goes right in here. So I went ahead and mounted this directly. There's also this jumper harness that you'll have to install to connect it to the factory connector, because it's a different connector, of course. So we're gonna drop this in now and get it all bolted up.
And put everything back together in reverse.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
If my front camera doesn't work, that's gonna suck.
Or the fog lights.
Or the fog lights. Or my block heater. Or my headlights. Everything. All right, so we got the 400 bolts in. It was a lot, but we had none left over, surprisingly. So the next part, we're gonna put this bumper back on. We gotta hook up the block heater and the wiring harness for the fog lights. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to do both those in the air and just slide her on.
Sounds good. Let's get to it.
Oh! Did it get heavier?
Fog lights way a lot.
All right, so before we bolt everything back up, we just line the bumper up on the front. We're gonna run a power check real quick just to make sure the fog lights actually do work before we get everything tightened up so that we don't have to run into any issues and pull everything back apart again.
No fogs.
No fogs.
The light isn't coming on with that. Let me just fire that.
Got light. Sweet.
Can I get a shot?
You guys had me worried there for a second.
Oh, the case of the dropsies.
I don't even know if this is a case of dropsies. This is a hard one to get to.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's genetic, Taylor.
It is. Click, 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 click. Freaking socket. That was not my dropsy fault. No leftover bolts. This is a miracle.
That was pretty impressive. All right.
Us decided not to try to power them on before we hooked everything back up.
So everything's reinstalled and it doesn't work?
So we're gonna take everything back off.
No.
Yeah. Just redo it, Kyle. But now that you're here,
It'll go faster.
Yeah. Well, he's got a pickleball point up.
Yeah, so you have to take over. Is that cool?
What's going on? They just won't turn on?
Or just
Oh, it's like
this would happen.
let's see them.
I can't keep a straight face that long.
Those look clean.
Oh yeah. Those are brighter.
That looks good.
Yeah. Look how clean it is.
It looks really clean.
Dude, it looks so factory.
Baja Designs for the win.
All right, so we got that done. It is definitely a two-person job, so it was good to have Bo here. I would not have been able to do that on my own. So the best way to cap this off is we're gonna put a Fleece all lights on module. This is pretty awesome because what this allowed to do is my high beams, the fogs will stay on regardless of high or low beams, which is pretty awesome. On the back, they have a QR code. That'll take you, because there's very application-specific instructions for your make and model. So make sure when you get this, use that QR code, go to their website and get the actual instructions. So we're gonna knock this out real quick. Don't quote me on this, but according to the instructions, it's this white and this brown wire. Right here, for my model, it talks about, it shows the pins, and roughly, I can definitely tell the white one's the right one, and it's only brown wire in here. So we're gonna take those out, and then we're gonna line everything up with the connector and get her dialed in. Should we test this one? I'm more scared to test this one than the actual hooking the fog lights up. Okay, fogs are on. Yep. All in all, that was a very successful install. Lots of time and effort. It's not that hard, it's just you gotta take your time, make sure you don't miss any bolts. The cool part is we're gonna show you some before and after shots to show you the improvement of this.
So we love Baja Designs lights. As you can see, we put them on most of our trucks. If you guys have any ideas for the Patriot series, please let us know. And if you're looking for some Baja Designs lights, we've got plenty of options on the website for all years, makes, and models. And we'll see you next time.